All right, guys, let's check out this beautiful 1971 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale convertible, available at Rolling Museum's classic car dealership. The 88 nameplate was introduced by Oldsmobile in 1949 and ran into 1999. Often called the first real king of NASCAR, it won a total of 36 races between 1949 and 1952. It was one of the best performing automobiles, which led to its success in sales, with slogans like "Make a Date" in a Rocket 88 and the hit rock and roll song Rocket 88. It became very popular and became the division's most profitable line. The 88 badge had a large variations of nameplates, such as Royale, Delta, Holiday, Golden Rocket, Starfire, Jetstar, Celebrity, Super, Dynamic, Delmont, LS, and LSS. 1971 included the base Delta 88, the Delta 88 Custom, Delta 88 Royale, which was available as a pillared four-door town sedan, 2- and 4-door holiday hardtops, and a convertible like this beautiful example. They had fuselage styling, new squared-off roof lines for the town sedans, and more rounded lines for the holiday sedans and coupes. Engine options being a small block 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 or a big block 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Absolutely love Oldsmobile engines. They're torque monsters, often called stunt pullers. I put a 455 Olds in my Buick Regal G-Body. It's nothing like the torque you get from a big block. The 71 model also came with the infamous 1-year only flow-through ventilation system that was also found on the 1971 Buick Rivieras, which actually makes them rare and sought after by major collectors. The system used the heater fan to draw air into the cowl intake and force it out through the vents in the deck lid. It actually caused exhaust gas to be sucked back into the cab, which led to GM discontinuing the system after the 1971 model year. All right, guys, what y'all think of this 1971 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale convertible? Drop down in the comments and rate her 1 through 10 and tell me would y'all drive an Oldsmobile. I think she's gorgeous. Beautiful paint job, interior is immaculate, big block car, power steering, power brakes, all the creature comforts. Now let's take a look at this beautiful 1966 Chevy Impala. The Impala nameplate was one of the best-selling American-made models. In fact, it set an all-time industry sales record of more than 1 million being sold in 1965. Full-size cars was very popular back then and accounted for a big chunk of GM sales. The Chevy Impala debuted in 1958 on the X-frame and later adopting the full-width perimeter frame, also called body-on-frame, allowing for the floor pans to be lowered, reducing the roof line and overall vehicle height, as well as the center of gravity, thus improving the handling. The Chevy Caprice was introduced as a top-line Impala sports sedan in the 1965 model year, later becoming a separate series positioned above the Impala in 1966, which remained above the Chevy Bel Air and the Chevy Biscayne. All fourth-generation Chevy Impalas beginning in 1965 received annual facelift, with the 1966 model, like this beautiful example, received a revised horizontal bar grille up front and new triple rectangular tail lights, chrome belt line strips, base engines being a 250 cubic inch 4.1 liter 6-cylinder or a 283 cubic inch 4.6 liter V8. Optional engines being a 327 cubic inch 5.4 liter V8, which is the same engine this 1966 Impala has, a 396 cubic inch 6.5 liter V8, or a 427 cubic inch 7 liter V8, backed by either a 2-speed power glide or a 3-speed automatic. So what you guys think of this 1966 Chevy Impala? Drop down in the comments and rate her 1 through 10 and tell me, would you drive a Chevy Impala?